Losing your inner energy. What is inner energy, really? Part 1. These days, it feels like everyone's drained, running on empty. And that makes the topic of losing and regaining inner energy more relevant than ever. Let's break this down together, keeping it real and simple without getting lost in academic jargon. Think of this as a heart-to-heart about something we all feel at times. You've probably had those moments when life just shuts you off. You're out of steam, don't care about anything, and even happiness feels forced. We say someone's burnt out, exhausted, or just plain done. That's what we're talking about here, your inner energy. It's subtle but so critical. It's like the fuel that keeps your zest for life, your motivation, and even your physical health running strong. So, where does it all go? Why do some people look like shadows of themselves, while others practically glow, even when life's throwing curveballs? Inner energy isn't just some fluffy concept. It's this vibrant flow that keeps you able to create, love, dream, take action, grow. Let's group the reasons we lose energy into categories and explore them together. 1. Mental traps. Perfectionism. Endless self-talk and self-criticism. Micromanaging everything. Doing too many things at once. Overthinking. Fear of failure. Fear of standing out. Imposter syndrome. Always expecting the worst. Catastrophizing. Dafarim. Quas. 2. Emotional blocks. Suppressed feelings, repressed anger, unaddressed desires, struggling to forgive, fear of wealth, fear of maturing, fear of success, emotional dependency. Chakras. 3. Toxic relationships. People who drain you, energy vampires, a negative social circle, fake friends, spiritual loneliness, codependent relationships, cutthroat competition at work. Bakrash. 4. Living out of sync. Wearing social masks, lying to yourself, living someone else's dream, being stuck in psychological chains, putting your life on hold, losing touch with who you are. 5. Spiritual disconnect. Feeling aimless, lacking a purpose, weak intuition, losing a sense of meaning, a full-blown spiritual crisis, that empty. What's the point? Feeling tlashra? 6. Physical slumps. Sitting still for too long, lack of sleep, shallow breathing, messed up sleep-wake cycles, missing important nutrients. Turkuahash. 7. Behavioral habits. Always enduring discomfort. Saying yes to things you don't want, refusing help when you need it, feeling guilty about resting, putting things off, procrastination, sabotaging yourself. 8. Info overload. Drowning in endless information, getting lost in virtual worlds, over-reliance on screens, being bombarded by noise and chatter. 9. Unfinished business. Projects left hanging. Old debts, emotional or otherwise. Unresolved past trauma. Decisions you keep postponing. Plans that never got off the ground. 10. Environment woes. Homes with energy leaks, cluttered spaces, toxic workplace vibes, unfavorable climate. In the upcoming videos, we'll break down each set of 10 points one by one. We'll go over the reasons behind them and walk you through the best ways to tackle each one. Stay tuned for our video series.